Hello, council members. My name is Sam Bellamy. I'm here with Stand Up America. And I come every week talking about the red light cameras, and it's been a while now, and it's kind of reminded me of, like, why would you have gotten into office and you wanted to change something and do something? I believe that's what you want to do. And so that's where my ambitions are coming from, the same place where yours came from initially when you got into office. But what happens when you cross that line and get in there? Then you don't change the things that the public are crying out for? It doesn't make any sense. That system that you butt up against when you're trying to get into an elected body, you become a part of, and it's kind of like talking to a wall now. I'm not getting the fact of the red light cameras because, first off, statistically, a driver makes in a day about 15 mistakes. And what you're doing with a red light camera is you're finding people for making mistakes. If you were just 0.001 seconds sooner, you wouldn't have gotten the ticket. So you have to beat a computer. You have to be faster and smarter than a computer before you don't get a ticket. And next, when the ticket's finally issued, King County District Court processes these tickets. You have to give them a percentage of the ticket. And then after that, 40% of the money you get goes to the company that runs these cameras. And then after that, if someone doesn't pay, then that's another percentage that goes to a collection agency. So then it cause me to wonder, instead of trying to get justice, are you just trying to get money? All this money that's coming in if someone had a ticket and didn't pay for it and it goes to collections, it doesn't make any sense. That's just trying to get money at that point. There should be a civil penalty. You lose your license. We take your license until you pay for that one fine. Instead, you send it to collections, and some other organization outside private corporation gets that money. And then you get a piece of it. How much are you actually getting in the end to use? When we're giving money to the district court, King County District Court, we're giving money to the camera company, and we're giving money to a collection agency. No justice is being seen right now. Right now what we're seeing is a Ponzi scheme, a way for you to steal the money from the people from simple mistakes that they're doing. This can be seen in how your signs go from 40 miles an hour down to 25, back up to 35. Most cities have corridors where it's 40 straight through. You can get to Crossroads in Bellevue, downtown. There's so many different speed limits, and then there's cops at every single one of them traps. So because I make a mistake, and you can calculate where those mistakes are, because those traps are now well known, they know where people make mistakes and make money off of them. And so simply having these red light cameras just furthers that perception. You guys have been hearing me talk about it, and I haven't had a response except accidents went down 10%. Well, I pulled that data before I even started speaking to you, and I noticed the fluctuation of going down and up for the past 12 years, 10%. So those cameras really, and you even said in the statement you sent me, we can't conclude that the cameras reduced it. So citywide, accidents haven't went down because of these red light cameras, and yet they're still there. We're giving money to a corporation to make 40% of my fines.
Oh, please. Thank you.
All right, very sorry for going over.
Thanks.
This guy before talk about arithmetic. Guys, you don't know what is mean arithmetic. I think because you don't have a high school diploma is a problem. So right now I want to explain to you about another arithmetic. 4 year, 330 pages investigation cost probably $50,000. And for my understanding, your police department and your prosecutor broke statute of limitation. So situation right now very simple. We want what is you, mayor of city, Mr. Lee, what answer why this happened. Why this money come and who will be responsible for this money? Because I saw Bellevue is not a question. For public request how much this cost this case, and I saw Bellevue for broken statute of limitation in criminal case for my compensation. So right now situation very simple. It is come to very simple mathematics. Who will pay for this? Who will pay for this? A government pay for this? A policeman pay? A mayor pay for this? No. Taxpayer pay for this. It's very simple mathematics, and you don't understand this because you don't have high school diploma. It's a problem. Number one. Number two is exactly happened in '98 with my first class action. This is happened with my another class action, what is I bring $100 million. behalf of 20,000 disabled people, as this happened before in 98 with my first class action. So in 98, do you understand what is mean mathematics? No. So when you don't understand in 98, you don't understand in 1912, so this can talk about what has happened right now, about your mental condition. So I mean, your mental condition not so good, guys. This is very important. We need something doing about this. There's 27 ticket, what is I have. It's all record for last 20 plus year for 27 ticket of what is I have from Belleville. Each time I bring policemen in court, each time it's cost more money to government. And who pay for this? People pay, taxpayer pay for this. Why? Because you don't understand arithmetic. Why you don't understand arithmetic? Because you don't have high school diploma. It's a problem, what is we have right now. So right now we will sue Mr. Lee and Robertson, you know what this means, in court. This will be November 20. This will be again and again and again. Guys, we bring you in court of rest of us life, Stand Up America, of rest of my life, because you start understand what is mean arithmetic. Maybe you need go to high school diploma have right now. You know what this mean? Understand what is mean mathematica. And who pay for this? Because you not pay from your package. I'm absolutely sure when Mr. Lee pay from your package, everything will be fixed very fast. Thank you very much for your time. We come next Monday. Maybe next Monday you will have diploma. Thank you very much for your time.